Hi friends, welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to see about a free office application. If you want to prepare a document, presentation or a report, a large number of people are using Microsoft Office. If you feel Microsoft Office is costly or you're looking for a free office application so that you can save some money, then you can try LibreOffice. LibreOffice is available for Windows OS, 32-bit and 64-bit, Linux and Mac OS. LibreOffice includes Writer, Calc and Impress applications which replace Word, Excel and PowerPoint respectively. Let's go to the Libre website and download the application. Open your web browser and then search LibreOffice, and then you can see a link called Home LibreOffice. Click on it and then click download and then download LibreOffice. You can see there are two versions here, 7.3 and 7.2.5. We are going to choose 7.3 because it is the latest version, while 7.25 is a slightly older version. Now you can see it has automatically chosen my operating system, which is Windows 64-bit. If this is not your operating system, you can just choose any one from the following. Now click download. Now you can see the download has completed. Now click on the arrow and then click show in folder. Now I am going to close Google Chrome. Now I am going to open LibreOffice. Now I am going to close the File Explorer. This is the installation wizard. Now click Next. Make sure that Typical is selected and click Next. Now click Install. Now click Finish. Now let's open LibreOffice. Now on the left you can see there is Writer document, which is similar to Word, and Calc Spreadsheet, which is like Excel, and Impress presentation, which is just like PowerPoint. Now let me open Writer document. Wow! It is just like Microsoft Word. You can also export your file as a PDF. Not only as a PDF, you can also export it as a EPUB file, which stands for e-publication. It is a technical standard published by the International Digital Publishing Forum. Now suppose you want to share this document to your friend, but your friend does not have LibreOffice. He only has Microsoft Word. You don't need to worry because you can just click Save As and then change the file type to Microsoft Word, and then you can save it. In insert, you can insert images, charts, media, and you can also insert shapes. In format, you can change the format of the text, you can change the spacing and etc. In table, you can insert a table and all other regular things are there. In the form, you have everything to create a form. And in tools, you can see here spell checking, mail merge wizard, and macros. Now let me close this. Don't save. Now we are going to open Calc Spreadsheet. You can see it is similar to Excel, so I'm not going to go in detail that much, and you can see it for yourself. So let me close it. Now we are going to open Impress presentation. Now you can see they have created some templates. In that, I'm going to choose blue curve, open. Now you can see that there is 2 slides. You can also export it as a PDF, and you can also save it as a PowerPoint file. Now this is the same as PowerPoint. You can check it for yourself, and I'm not going to go in depth. So if you're interested in saving money, you can use LibreOffice. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.